Hi everyone, welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here we have this electric kettle from Russell Hobbs. Now this one has up to 3 years of guarantee, swivel base, so it is like 360-degree, right? And then large capacity because it is 1.7 liter, and it has rapid boil because of the watts, so it is like 3000 watts. So this is something good because I wanted something which has rapid boiling option. Okay. Now at the side there are more details. So again, rapid boil because of 3000 watt with concealed element, multi-directional. All right. And then you have to pull up the lid, removable washable filter. And here are some more details. It has neon light for power switch, and here is the website of Russell Hobbs. Okay, so before we unbox, let's go around the box and see what is there. So that's it. Now we will unbox it. So let's open the box. All right, so here we go. Now here it is. And here is the kettle. Thank you for helping me out. Okay, so here is the kettle, and this looks like steel is the reason. That's why we bought it, because of course of 360-degree thing, and then again steel, always better than plastic. Okay, so here it is. This is the kettle. Now you have to put it on this. So a good base. So it is lightweight. And then this here will go in here. And let's open this. So if you look, it has this kind of switch function, and here on the inside it's all stainless steel, easy to clean. Yeah. Okay, let's look in the box. So that's it. Here is a user manual, of course, which is usually there with everything that we buy. And then this thing here is kind of, a strainer, if you can, which can be pulled out. So here it is. Let's take it out. Yeah, so here it is. Easy to wash, easy to fix. So here is our new kettle. Hope you liked it. Russell Hobbs, 3000 watts. And wait, I will try to boil some water in here and then show it to you, that how fast it is and how does this work, the light, the neon light. Okay, so just wait and watch. So now it is ready to use. We have plugged it, and we have filled it with water. So now we can close the lid, and we will switch on the button from here. Now you see that neon light which shows that it is on, and you can hear the water boiling there. It should be fast, right? As we discussed, this is 3000 watts. it's almost ready. Now you can hear the water. It is boiling now. Okay, so the light went off. That means the water is ready to use. Thank you for watching.